enhancing sales performance with sales enablement strategies, and a professional doctorate in sales and marketing. In today's competitive business landscape, organizations strive to boost sales performance and revenue growth. Sales enablement strategies empower teams with tools and skills for success. Explore these strategies, guided by insights from a professional doctorate in sales and marketing. Sales enablement strategies, maximizing performance through professional development. Professional Doctorate in Sales and Marketing. The Professional Doctorate in Sales and Marketing offers advanced education for industry leaders. It equips professionals with expert knowledge, strategic skills, and invaluable networks to drive innovation and shape the future of commerce. How it helps with sales enablement strategies, maximizing performance through professional development.